Okay, so we are going to make an ornament today, and I am going to use, to go with our swan, we're going to use this beautiful paper. This is the Winter Fantasy 4-pack. Winter Fantasy 4-pack, okay? And that is by Decoupage Queen. That is available in my link tree. Okay, and then these ornaments, it's the ones, you know, you put together. Got these from Amazon, but what I did this morning, because I kind of want it, I want to be able to use the bling inside. We're gonna put this little beautiful swan in here, you know, with this one somehow. But I just traced this onto cardboard, and so that is going to sit in there. So from the side, it's gonna have, you know, still have that dome effect. But, so we're gonna try. We're gonna see if it works. So we are going to trace our paper here. I am just painting this, and then we are going to decoupage that down. Paper down on the cardboard. I don't know. I might just kind of put it like they're side by side, just swimming along. Okay. So I grabbed our AB stones. We are going to be diamond dusting. I want these to kind of appear to be like little snowflakes. I'm just going to randomly do so we are going to come in now. Maybe okay, I'm going to try my best to avoid this area with diamond dust right there, but all of this, we're going to diamond dust. Alright, so with the diamond dust, I usually like to let it sit for just, oh my gosh, and y'all look, I mean, it just brought it to life. I'm going to try just a little bit of the B7000 first, just in little areas, and then maybe we can seal it in. But look how sweet that is. Okay. Now, okay. So there it is so far. We're going to put snow on the back. You're never going to see that cardboard back there. I'm going to use the Snow Tex, but I do think I'm going to put a quick coat of paint on here first. So I'm just going to give it a quick coat with the chalk paint. This is the Snow Tex. This is by Deco Art. You could probably get it on Amazon. I grabbed these from Hobby Lobby.
Hi, Grammy.
Hi, buddy. I'm almost done. Look, Grammy's using like fake snow. I'm gonna go back in and add a little bit more up to where the trim goes. We can, but for now I'm gonna try to keep it inside. Can't handle it. All right. So I am. Even Gracie followed him up here, and she's sitting here staring at me. I am going to coat this down. And just have to be really careful, because I like to do it right on top of the snow text. Okay, look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, shh, 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 shh. All right, I always add a little bit of, Betty, a little bit of B7000. No, baby, she's fine. She's fine, honey. She's not gonna eat anything. She doesn't do that. Okay. This is like the perfect, I cut this actually. This is like the perfect width. See? And so it completely covers that. Oh my gosh, that's cute. So we've got that pearl trim. I kind of bumped that, but that's okay. You just use your finger and get it. Just be careful if you already have your diamond dust. But it's all sparkly, sparkly goodness. Now, I am going to come in with some B7000 as well as some hot glue. I did grab some greenery also. I don't know now if I would want to use that, but okay, there we go. And now there is our beautiful swan floating along. So we have those baby crystals inside. We put that on a piece of cardboard and added the diamond dust. So see, it's not sitting quite so far back in the ornament. And you could definitely make it double-sided if you wanted to do that two-way. You can make it double-sided. We went with the snow text and the diamond dust on that. Again, y'all grab your bird packs. They are limited. And listen, I just think that swan is so precious.